Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's explore the art of sharing your creations from StarryAI with the world. So here's how. Begin by launching your browser and navigating to starryai.com. And if you are new to this enchanting world, remember to log in. Now, cast your gaze upon the dashboard. Tap on Create and step into a realm of endless artistic possibilities. Select your preferred AI art style, whether it's illustrations, photos, or your very own unique style. Your creative journey takes flight as you compose your prompt, guiding StarryAI to manifest your vision. Tap on the AI-generated masterpiece. Beneath the image, discover the Share option. A simple tap will lead you to a new path. But hold on, before you share, you must first make your creation public. Set your username and save. Then, return to the Share button. Click Publish, and once more tap, click Share. Now, you're ready to share your art far and wide. Copy the link or directly share it through the shown apps. Your creative endeavors are now set free, ready to inspire and captivate. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.